Hi, I'm Maciej, Senior Project Manager from Merrick Studio. Welcome to our channel. And as usual, let's talk about APIs. In one of my last videos, I was talking about APIs in context of a business model or product strategy and lack of thereof, which may cause you missing some serious business opportunities. As a slight follow-up to that topic today, I would like to tell you how you can actually earn on APIs. As usual, there are no simple answers to such topics, so I won't tell you how much you should charge for your API, but rather I will show you some models that are used and the examples of which companies use specific models in what situations. First approach is a plan-based fee. This is very often found in software as a service applications. You just basically subscribe for a month, 3 months, 1 year or whatever to the services they provide via web. So the same goes for the APIs, whether it's a standalone product or they are included in the software as a service application that has a web interface that you can interact with. The plans may be structured differently than if this is a typical software as a service application. It may have free plan, it may not have free plan. The API may be included from the very first tier, or it can be included on some upper level tiers. So that highly depends on the type of service you interact with or you own. And companies that utilize this method are, for instance, Dropbox for business, HubSpot or MailChimp. Another approach is pay-as-you-go, or in other words, pay-per-transaction. Services like payment processors, especially these kind of services, offer you pay-as-you-go pricing because whenever you call their API, you invoke specific type of operation, such as processing a payment, which gives immediate value to your end user or allows you to generate that value on your end. So, as I mentioned, it is used by payment processors such as Stripe or services like Twilio, which operate on specific actions such as user verification, sending an SMS, or making a voice call that are strictly programmable via API. Pay-as-you-go may be also combined with volume tiers or quotas. So in that case, whenever you make lots of operations, lots of API calls within a certain threshold, there is a chance the fee for a single transaction would be lower. That is how PayPal works, for instance. It sums up the total monetary value of transactions made via API and applies fees based on the sum of those transactions. A similar approach can be found in Google Maps, where you get specific thresholds of calls you can make. Like first threshold is for free, but after that you are charged a fee based on how many monthly calls you can make. There are also some other, maybe more rare, hybrid approaches. They can be found in very specialized services, such as weather data services or financial data services. These can combine single access fee with a monthly plan or quota. This may also be combining the monthly access with certain thresholds and any other combination that can actually be thought of. One of great examples is AcquaInt, which provides weather data. Their plan is based on a monthly fee plus cost per 1,000 API calls. Another great example is Polish Stock Exchange, which offers very similar approach. Eventually, there are other ways of generating value through API. For instance, third-party integrations. For example, you have a CRM service and you don't want to build a marketing campaign management service or marketing or newsletter campaign sender service. You can reach to a different service that is already established, that focuses only on that, create an integration with it, and offer that integration for your users for a certain fee. Also, if you're an established player and with established market presence, you may have customers that will request some certain integrations from you. For example, with their system. You can always monetize that. Never forget about non-monetary value that APIs can provide you. Whether it's marketing reasons, or traffic generation, or content acquisition. These always adds up to the overall value of your product. So if you liked today's video, please don't hesitate to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, or leave a comment. You can always reach out to us if you have any additional questions. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.